Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. And in the morning, we're going to start to install a TRD Lift Kit on this 2026 TRD Sport 6th Gen 4Runner. Before we do that, we want to take some measurements. We have the stock tires and wheels, and then we're going to install the genuine Toyota TRD Lift Kit, and we're going to put in TRD genuine accessory wheels as well as 34-inch Toyota tires. So we want to have some base height measurements so that we know this is going to fit in your garage and how much actual lift we're adding to it. So we're going to go ahead and take a pause real quick, grab a tape measure and a level. We'll do some measurements, and then we'll pause, and then we'll remeasure this once we have everything all finished up. Okay, looks we are right around 73 to 73 and a quarter. Okay, so on day 2, after we have the lift fully installed, we are at 76 inches on the highest point in the rear, which would be the level from the shark fin to the ground. That's going to be a net effective gain of 2.5 to 2.75 inches, depending on how much weight you have in the back. But right now we're dry. So you're at 76 inches if you're trying to measure and see if this fits in your garage. But the lift is true to the 2.5 inch lift kit that's as advertised. And that is with the LT 285/70 R18 34-inch tire, which we believe is the biggest tire size with this lift kit without doing any kind of major trimming. We hope these measurements are helpful to you. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please ask in the comment section below.